Kadav and today I would like to say something about Tokyo Olympics. Tokyo Olympics was held in 23rd July and ended on 8th August. 54 countries had participated in Tokyo Olympics. This time Tokyo Olympics were held in Tokyo, Japan. There were 11,658 athletes. There were 33 sports in Olympic. All across the Tokyo Olympic cost 15,400 billion US dollars. Tokyo Olympic lasts for 17 days long. There are 5 rings: yellow, black, green, red and blue in Olympic rings. Those rings are to represent 5 continents like Europe, Africa, Asia, America and Oceania. Asko Tokyo designed world's most famous symbol of Tokyo Olympic. And also India sent total 120 plus athletes to Olympic Games and our team returned with 7 medals.
Neeraj Chopra is an Indian track and field athlete who competes in javelin throw. As of August 2021, he is ranked as world number 2 by the World Athletic Organization and a junior commissioned officer JCO in the Indian Army. Chopra is the first track and field athlete to win a gold medal for India at the Olympics. He is also the first track and field athlete from India to win at the IAAF World U20 Championships, where in 2016 he achieved World Under 20 record throw of 86.48 meter, becoming the first Indian athlete to set a world record. Let's get some personal information about Neeraj Chopra. He was born on 23 December 1997 in Panipat, Haryana. His current age is 23. He completed his education in DAV College, Chandigarh. His height is 1.82 meter or 6 feet. His rank is in army is Subedar, and he got awards such as Vishish Seva Medal. In sports, his personal best is 88.07 meter, which he made in 2021.
Mirabai Chanu. Mirabai Chanu's full name is Seikoham Mirabai Chanu. She was born at 8 August 1994. Is an Indian weightlifter. Mirabai has won the World Championships and multiple medals at the Commonwealth Games. She was awarded with Padma Shri by Government of India for her contribution to the sports. Mirabai Chanu, who began lifting firewood as a child, is now one of India's biggest weightlifting stars. Seikoham Mirabai Chanu, the girl from the East Impahal district of Manipur, scripted history as she won the silver medal in the women's 49 kgs weightlifting event at the Tokyo Olympics. She began winning international medals for getting recognition at her young age by competing on international stages. Mirabai Chanu was considered a favorite in the women's 49 kgs category in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Mirabai Chanu, a native of Manipur capital city Imphal, she won her first gold medal in the local weightlifting competition when she was 11 years old. Later, she began her international weightlifting career by competing in the World and Asian Junior Championships, where she won medals in both. She idolized the Indian weightlifter in Kuranjari Devi. Thank
Today I am going to give some information on Lovlina Borgohain. Lovlina Borgohain, born on 2 October 1997, is an Indian amateur boxer and an Olympic medal winner. She won a bronze medal at the 2020 Summer Olympics, Tokyo, Japan, in the women's welterweight event, becoming only the third Indian boxer to win a medal at the Olympics. She also won bronze medal at the 2018 AIBA Women's World Boxing Championships and the 2019 AIBA Women's World Boxing Championships. She won the gold medal at first India Open International Boxing Tournament held in New Delhi and silver medal at second India Open International Boxing Tournament held in Guwahati. Burgoyne is the first female athlete and the second boxer from Assam to represent the state in the Olympics. In 2020, she became the sixth person from Assam to receive Arjun Award. Weight class welterweight, weights 69 kg, 152 IP, height 1.81 meter, 5 feet 11 inches. Nationality Indian. Born 2 October 1997. Age 23. Stance Orthodox stance. Done, ma'am.
Ravi Kumar Dahiya is an Indian wrestler from Haryana's Nahri village in Sonipat district. The 23-year-old wrestler rose to fame after he joined India's Olympic medal winners club with a silver medal at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics. He is the second Indian wrestler to win an Olympic silver after Sushil Kumar. He was among the 8 Indian wrestlers who represented India at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics. Ravi Kumar Dahiya, Indian men's freestyle wrestler in 57 kg weight division, has assured a medal for India at Tokyo Olympics. He defeated Kazakhstan Nurizlam Sanayev on victory by fall.
Hi everyone, my name is Gayatri Prashant Adora. Today I am going to tell about PV Sindhu. Pusadla Venkata Sindhu is born on 5th July 1995. He is an Indian professional badminton player. Over the course of her career, Sindhu has won medals at multiple tournaments including Olympics and on the BWF circuit, including a gold at the 2019 World Championships. She is the first Indian to become the badminton world champion and only the second individual athlete from India to win 2 consecutive medals at the Olympic Games. She rose to career high world ranking of number 2 in April 2017. She born in country India. She wins awards or medals in Olympic Games, silver in 2016 Rio de Janeiro, World Championship gold in 2019 Brazil, Uber Cup bronze in 2014 New Delhi. Thank you.
Bajrang Punia. Bajrang Punia is an Indian freestyle wrestler who competes in the 65 kg weight category. At the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, Punia won a bronze medal by defeating Kazakhstan Daulat with wide 8-0 margin. Punia is the only Indian wrestler to win 3 medals at the World Wrestling Championships. He was born on 26 February 1994 in Jhajjar at Haryana in Kudan. His father name is Balwan Singh Punia and mother name is Om Pyari. He was judged by caste. Bajrang was born in a poor family. His height is 1.66 meter and weight is 65 kg. His coach is Sangeeta Fogart and coach is Yogeshwar Dutt. He won gold medals in wrestling at 2018 Asian Games, 2018 Commonwealth Games and 2017 Asian and Indoor Martial Arts Games. He is awarded like Arjuna Award in wrestling and Padma Shri Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna also in wrestling. His family sacrifices a lot to fulfill Bajrang's dream. Bajrang became world's 9th gold medal wrestler. He gives a new identity to Indian wrestling on the world stage. Keep it up, Bajrang Punia.
Tokyo Olympic Indian Hockey. Indian men's hockey team captain Malpreet Singh and Indian women's hockey team captain Rani Rampal. Indian men's hockey team win the match by scoring level at 5-4 with Germans. Finally, Indian men's hockey team got bronze medal in Tokyo Olympic hockey. And Indian women hockey team lost the match with Great Britain, but the both men and women hockey team do lot of hard work. India hockey team win bronze medal, so all Indian proud of them. Thank you.